there's no way to...
What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you something different. Today I'm going to show you how to add sounds into FlipaClip. So it's easy, just put it on iMovie, but I'll tell you how. But on iMovie you first need to make an animation. Next, press create movie, then press again. It should bring you to a screen and it will show you the option to share on YouTube. Then press more, scroll along, and once you're at more, as I said, scroll along and press the iMovie option. It'll bring you to iMovie. I'm doing it just now. Click on the animation you made and add your sound. Now I've done it as well, so yeah, thank you for watching and hope it helped. Enjoy animating!